Hi guys, welcome back to Easy Education. I'm teacher Shireen. Today I'm gonna teach you guys about animals' gender. Do you know that for animals they actually have different names according to the gender? We have their masculine names and feminine names. Well, for the masculine, you can call it the male, and feminine refers to the female. Or make it even easier for you, you call it the boy or the girl. First, this is a male duck. We call it drake. And female duck, yep, it's a duck. And the baby duck, it's a duckling. For the family of chicken, we have rooster, cock, or cockerel for the male chicken. As for the female, we have hen. And then the baby chicken, we have chick. Next, for the family of goose, the male we call it gander, and the female we call it goose, and the baby we call it gosling. Just like duck for the duckling, goose for the gosling. Then we have this peacock, like the chicken's family. They have cock, they have hen and chick, right? So here we have peacock, we have peahen, and we have pea chick. Easy, right? Number 5. Have you watched the cartoon Tom and Jerry? Yes, for the male cat, it's known as Tom, but for the female, it's the queen. And then the baby, it's a kitten. It's not kitty, it's a kitten. Then for the horse, we have stallion for the male, and then we have mare for the female. As for the baby horse, we have foal. For the family of goat, we have billy goat with the horns on its head. We have nanny goat for the female goat. And also we have the baby goat as kid. Yes, just like you, if you age below 13. Then, this one, the guy told you, that's a big bull. Yes, it's a bull. And then for the female, we have cow. For the baby, we have calf. For the family of sheep, we have ram for the male. And then for the female, we have ewe. This word is pronounced as U, same as Y-O-U. And then the baby, it's a lamb. Do you know how to sing a song? Mary had a little lamb. Then for the family of deer, besides deer, you can also call it the stag or the buck. And the one on top of its head, it's antlers. As for the female, it's a doe. Again, that's a song for this doe, a deer, a female deer. And then for the baby, we have fawn. 11. For the family of fox, we have fox or toad. Then for the female, we have vixen. And for the baby, we call it kid. Easy for you. Leopard, leopardess, leopard cub. Lion, lioness, lion cub. I love the movie Simba. Tiger, tigress, tiger cub. Okay guys, I've finished my video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, especially if you are an animal lover. I'll see you guys soon.